Wait, I just heard the doorbell. Do you want to know what was at my door? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are all okay and everyone is staying safe. It's been a while since I checked in with everyone, but I will be updating you guys on everything shortly, so we'll get into all of that later. Today's video is going to be all about how to get rid of acne really fast. I feel like it's always useful to find really fast and easy ways to get rid of acne or to get your skin back on track. I had to learn this the hard way because my skin was definitely in the worst condition it had been in the longest time. A really big part of skincare for me has always been making sure to rotate on products, making sure to rotate on items. I feel like that also is the case for facial brushes, facial cleansers. I think it's really important to try out and switch around different products so your face can experience new sensations, new things. You'll be really surprised just how much of a difference that makes in your skincare routine. I always want to disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist or anything. I just enjoy finding things that work really well for my skin. So I went ahead and I made it a point to try out 2 new products this week in hopes that it will help get my skin back on track. The first product that I tried out was this little guy. This is a sonic facial brush from Duvall. I had never tried one of these before, never used this product. This was definitely a new, really good type of feeling on my face. Something that I thought was really cool about this is it's actually rechargeable. This is really important for me because I don't always have batteries laying around the house. So the fact that you can just charge this like your iPhone via USB is probably like the coolest thing. So it's made of silicone and it's really easy to clean and it does not breed bacteria, which is really important because that's what causes a lot of acne. It's also waterproof, it's great for removing dirt, and it's really, really good for promoting circulation in your face. One thing that I always noticed after using this is my face always felt really nice and just really clean and crisp. So if you're somebody who's looking to restore firmness or elasticity in your skin, this is perfect for that. It vibrates. There's 4 different settings that you can have it on. So I definitely think that this is something that is worth trying. We could all use a little more self-care during this time. The link to this product is going to be in the description down below. Also, I do have a coupon code for you. It's going to be on the screen. So when you are checking out this product, please make sure to type in Angela G in all capital letters, no spaces, and you will get 70% off on all facial cleansing brushes and styling tools on the site. The link is going to be in the description down below. I went ahead and documented the process for you guys because a lot of you guys really wanted to see my before and afters. I didn't film the whole week of trying out this product, but I did film day 1 and day 2 because I wanted to show you guys the overnight results from this. Then of course the end result. Yeah, so I tried out green tea ice cubes for a whole week. It was a really fun and cold process. I'm gonna have the recipe in the description. So yeah, we're just gonna roll all of those clips so you guys can see the results. Okay, so I just finished cleansing my face, but as you can see, my skin is interesting right now. I was convinced that my skin might get better. I thought that because of the fact that I wasn't wearing makeup as regularly or as often as I did before, prior to this lockdown, that my skin would improve, but I feel like because I thought that, I've been lacking on my skincare routine a bit and I ended up in this predicament. I've also been eating a lot of like dairy and that always makes me break out. It's cold. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, this isn't bad. I'm gonna let it dry a bit before I put on my moisturizer on top. Like, I'm not rinsing off or anything. I'm going to put on some vitamin E moisturizer. Hey guys, I am back. Today is day 2 and I am seeing results already. I'm just gonna show the change because there literally is a difference. so we are finally on day 7 of this green tea challenge. I had to get my skin clear really fast because I did have a video / photo shoot this week, and that's also why you see a change in my hairstyle. Just a disclaimer if anyone is wondering why my hair randomly changed. I'm officially done cleansing and exfoliating and all of that, and my face feels so clean. Last day of green tea, and I'm gonna do a close-up afterwards. It's a bunch of the cubes that I have left, and they are, some of them are like half used. It never gets less cold, you never get used to it. And after I put the cube, I just let my face dry. But while it's drying, I'm going to do a zoom in on my face. So this is my left cheek on the last day of the green tea challenge. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet, so that's what the clear droplets on my face are. It's just water. And this is my left cheek on day 1 of the challenge. And this is my right cheek on the very last day of this green tea challenge. And as you can see, there was a lot of improvement on this cheek versus the day 1 right cheek that you are looking at right here. And then again, I'm going to show the last day so you can really see the improvement that occurred. So there was a lot of improvement. Not everything is going to change in a week, obviously, but I am happy with the changes that did happen. Alright, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate that. I also want to give a quick notification squad shout out, and it's going to be going to these people on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for commenting, for liking, and for supporting my channel. As I mentioned at the beginning, I am going to be doing an update of everything that has happened. If you guys have been watching the activity on my channel, or the lack of activity on just any of my social media platforms, you did see I did do a little bit of disappearing. So if you do have questions, specific questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A as well as an update. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.